Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to record internal audio on Android without screen recording. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for audio recorder by GitLab. Click on the first link. It should say Accent Audio Recorder. Now click on the F-Droid icon, or you can also download it from the Google Play Store if you prefer. Scroll down and click on Download APK, then tap Download Anyway. Once it's downloaded, install the application. Now open the audio recorder app. When you open it, you'll see a simple user interface. Before using the app, tap on the three-dot icon at the top right corner and go into Settings. At the top, you can select the Save folder where your recordings will be stored. Then, click on Recording Source and select Internal Audio. For encoding, you can choose MP3, WAV, or any other format you prefer. I'll go with MP3. Leave the audio channel setting as default. Now, go back to the main screen. I'll first play some music in the background. I'll mute it here because of YouTube copyright issues. As you can see, the song is playing, and now I'll tap on the record option. Click Start and select the app or screen you want to capture audio from. In my case, Spotify's playing, so it's showing there. Don't worry, it won't record the screen. It will only record the internal audio. As you can see, the recording has started. Now, tap on the pause icon to stop recording. I'll pause the music as well. Then click on the tick icon to save the file. And that's it. As you can see, the recording file has been successfully saved. This is how you can record internal audio on your Android device without screen recording. Thanks for watching.